Artificial intelligence is having a profound impact on our students' lives and learning experiences. This transformation is not just a trend, it's becoming more and more clear that it represents a fundamental shift in how we approach education and engage with knowledge. In their insightful book, The Age of AI, authors Henry Kissinger, Eric Schmidt, and Daniel Huttenlocher explore the potential of AI to reshape our world. They write, AI promises to transform all realms of human experience, how we learn, how we work, how we interact with one another, and even how we govern ourselves. This observation highlights the expansive influence that AI can have, particularly in the education sector. Because it's so new, it can feel quite overwhelming, and this leads to common misconceptions about AI in education. One of the most prevalent thoughts is the belief that AI will completely replace educators. Well, in reality, if AI is used wisely, it is designed to assist teachers by providing tools that enhance the learning experience, not to replace the essential human interaction and mentorship that teachers provide. This human element is crucial in fostering a supportive and nurturing educational environment. Many people also assume that AI systems are infallible and always accurate. However, AI can make mistakes and is often only as good as developed as the data that it's trained on. Though as time is going by, the refinements in its learning can seem quite startling, making it seem more and more human. It remains therefore to approach AI-generated insights critically, considering them as one of the many tools in the education process, rather than definitive answers. It is also a common belief that AI will solve all educational challenges. Well, AI can certainly help address certain issues. It's not a panacea. Complex challenges such as equity, access, and the need for social emotional learning require comprehensive strategies that go beyond technological solutions and involve the entire educational community. It's also important to note that AI is often perceived as being solely about data and analytics. Well, data analysis is a significant aspect of AI. It encompasses a broader range of applications, including natural language processing, machine learning, and adaptive learning technologies that create engaging and interactive learning environments. AI tools are already making significant strides in enhancing student learning. Ever-evolving platforms like Greenbox Learning, Newton, Carnegie Learning, Socrative Duolingo, and IXL, to name just a few, utilize adaptive learning technologies to customize educational content based on individual student performance. This personalization allows students to progress at their own pace, addressing their unique strengths and areas for improvement. Tools such as Grammarly and Turnitin not only support students in refining their writing skills, but also help to promote academic integrity and responsible research practices. If used carefully, these platforms encourage students to engage critically with their work, helping them develop essential skills for their future endeavors. But, and it's a big but, as we embrace these advancements, we, teachers, students, and parents, have to remain aware of the potential pitfalls associated with AI in education. Concerns regarding data privacy and the ethical use of AI are at the forefront of decisions in the educational community, and we must choose tools that prioritize student safety and transparency. Additionally, there's a risk of dependency on technology which can hinder the development of critical thinking and interpersonal skills. AI should be viewed as a supportive tool that enhances the learning process, not as a replacement for the invaluable human interactions that take place in the classroom setting. To navigate these challenges, we're committed to establishing guidelines for the responsible use of AI tools in our school. Our educators will receive training to effectively integrate these resources while maintaining a focus on fostering meaningful relationships with students. We'll also engage with students in conversations about digital literacy, helping them understand both the benefits and limitations of technology in their learning journeys. In addition to the resources mentioned, platforms like Microsoft Office 365 Suite and Nearpod facilitate collaborative and interactive learning experiences, allowing teachers to engage students in innovative ways. By leveraging these technologies responsibly, we can create an enriching educational environment that prepares our students for the future. While the integration of AI in education presents challenges, the potential benefits for our students are immense. As we engage in this new age of technology, let's work together to ensure that our students are equipped to thrive in a world where AI is playing a more and more integral role.